My name is John Erickson, and I'm reading for the part of Garen. This is a fresh shave. I'm happy to let it grow for the part as needed, and can mess this up as you guys like. Thanks.
Mr. Mendel, you have a visitor.
Miss Holland.
You can call me Willow. I think we're well past that.
I could, but that's how the rest of America refers to you. I have to use my own name to hold your attention.
As if. You've had that attention for over a year now.
I'm very glad to see you. I was starting to worry.
Likewise, I have some good news. I spoke with your lawyer privately yesterday. He's confident about your retrial, and I've watched public support of your case reach a fervor. I know you didn't murder her. Now it's time the court acknowledges that truth and sets you free.
None of this would be happening without you. Hell, I would have been executed by now. Until you strolled in for that first interview, no one believed me. No one heard my voice. I don't know how I can never
Don't thank me
thank you.
here. You shouldn't be here. You're innocent. We have to win this case.
Move back from the cell, Miss Holland.
You've done all you can, Willow. Much more than anyone has. Promise me, whatever the jury decides, you'll find a new story.
I promise after this case is over, I will move on. But if you're free,